Hey, are you tired of playing games that don't give you anything in return? Well, I've got the perfect app for you. It actually pays you real cash just for playing. No more wasting your time on games that are all fluff and have no substance. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how this awesome app works and how you can start earning money by doing something you already love. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's dive in and see how you can turn your love of gaming into some extra cash in your pocket. Check out this awesome app called Cash Match 3D. Win real money app that lets you get paid to play games on your phone. No complicated surveys or gimmicks. Just download the app, start playing fun mini games, and watch the real money roll in. It's the easiest side hustle you'll ever find. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite mobile games while also earning real money. Match 3D puts that dream within reach, offering an entertaining and lucrative way to pass the time. Join the thousands of players already cashing out their Match 3D earnings and start getting paid to play today. Match 3D is this super cool matching game that'll test your skills. You're diving into this world where you've got all these 3D objects just chilling on the ground, and you gotta match them up to clear the screen and beat the level. The gameplay is pretty wild. You'll be flipping and spinning these 3D objects, trying to find matches and clear the board. Trust me, it's way more fun than it sounds. Now here's the kicker. You can actually win real money and gift cards while you're playing. No joke. You rack up coins as you crush these levels, and then you can swap in for some sweet prizes. How cool is that? And if you're into showing off, there's this global leaderboard where you can see how you stack up against other players. Plus, you can unlock all these achievements and stuff to prove you're the boss. So yo, if you're looking for a game that's gonna keep you hooked and even put some cash in your pocket, Match 3D is where it's at. Go grab it and start matching. You won't regret it. Download Match 3D now and start earning cash with every game you play. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.